Here's how you can create this simple horror scene. All you need to do is gonna make a new blueprint. Open up the content browser, search for blueprint class, actor, name it BP_trigger. Open it up. Then we're gonna add two variables. One is actor location. Set type vector. Make another one, which is name actor. And on type actor. Make sure to expose this. On begin play, remove everything else. Grab your actor, drag out, search get actor location. Then set your actor location vector, attach it on here. Then in the components, we're going to add a box collision. Right click on box collision, add event, add on component begin overlap. Search for get player character, so we only know that the player character is overlapping with this. Search for equal, attach it on the player character, get a branch, assign a condition. We're gonna search for play sound 2D when it's true. Attach it. On here we're gonna add a timeline, TL_running. Then we're gonna open it up. Length will be 0.5. Track, add a float track, search for alpha. Right click, add two curve floats. The first one is time 0, value 0. Next one is time 0.5, value 1. Then from here we're going to add a lerp. Then for the update, we're going to grab our actor, set actor location. Then grab our vector that we just stored, actor location, right click, split struct, and also do the same for new location, add the Y and the Z. It says I'll only be using the X. Now all you need to do is drag in your trigger. Make sure it fits the hallway nicely. Then attach your jump scare character. In my case, it's Manny that's on a running animation. Get the location on the X since it only moves on the X. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that the first one is 233 and my B is -186. Now all we got to do is we got to play, run into the trigger, and that's all you got to do. See you on the next one.